Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to get a free domain name, step by step, without any hidden catches. Before we begin, I've placed a link in the description to try Hostinger if you're looking for affordable web hosting. There's also a solution at the end if this method doesn't work in your country, so stick around. Let's get started. First, you're going to visit the website freedns.afraid.org. This site lets you register a free subdomain. Once you're there, click the option to sign up for a free account. Make sure you use a valid email address because you'll need to verify your account. After signing up, check your inbox for a verification email. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Now, click on Add Subdomain to start creating your free domain. Next, click on the Domain tab. Here, you can pick the free domain you'll use. Keep in mind that since this is a subdomain, there will be an additional phrase added to your domain name. You can click on the red text that says Shared Domain Registry to explore all the available domain options. There are plenty of choices. My personal favorite is US.2 because it's short and easy to remember. Once you've chosen your shared domain, you can now create your full domain name. You can choose any combination that fits your needs. Now, we need to connect this free domain to an IP address. This could be the IP address of a game server like Minecraft, a VPS, or even a regular web hosting plan. I'm going to use Hostinger's unlimited web hosting plan to host a website. To get your IP address, go into your hosting provider's settings. In my case, on Hostinger, I can find it under the Hosting Information tab. Copy your web server IP address. Now, head back to FreeDNS and paste that IP address into the form. Complete the CAPTCHA and click Save. At this point, your free domain name is created and connected to your hosting. Now, let's set up a website. I'll use Hostinger's auto installer to install WordPress onto this domain. Once that's done, I now have a fully working website running on a free subdomain. One quick note. You might notice a Not Secure message on your site. This is because there's no SSL certificate yet. But don't worry, it's easy to fix. Just go to the Security tab in your hosting control panel, click on SSL, and install an SSL certificate. Once installed, your website will be fully secure. If you're outside the US and having trouble accessing this free domain service, you can use a VPN like NordVPN to bypass any restrictions. I've included a link to NordVPN in the description. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, make sure to check the links in the description if you're interested in trying out Hostinger for affordable web hosting, especially if you're looking to get a free.com domain with their 12-month plan. Hostinger offers a wide range of services that can help you set up your website quickly and easily. If you're experiencing any issues accessing the free domain service from outside the US, I recommend using NordVPN. With NordVPN, you can securely connect to a server in a different country, bypassing any restrictions you might face. I've also included a link to NordVPN in the description for your convenience.